Kusasangpo, hello, namaste, and tashtele to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, friends. Travel and food journey with Kisang. And friends, today I would like to take you guys to a small park which is located here in Astoria, known as Socrates Sculpture Park. I mean, this park is very small, but yet, like they have farmers market every Saturday, and then Saturday and Sunday mornings they have like free yoga classes that happens, and a lot of other things also. And they have like steel frame or like steel metal showcases. They have all this here. You can come and barbecue. There are a lot of things that you can do here. Little get farms. So you say like in a week or so you should be able to get like more fresh vegetables?
Like maybe 2 or 3 weeks for sugar samples.
Actually, where is this farm located?
We're up in Canaan, actually.
Canaan?
A little south of Albany.
Oh, wow.
It's about 35 minutes from Albany.
From here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Oh, no. It's like 2.5 hours from here.
Yeah, that's what from Albany, yeah. That's a long thing, right, for you guys to come here.
Yeah, but we still try to, because we used to grow in the city, so we still try to harvest right before the market.
Oh, okay.
So these days we're harvesting on Friday, and then we drive it back on Friday, and then have it here on Saturday.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, everything is pretty fresh.
Yeah, no, I'm super excited. There used to be a bigger market that used to come here like many years ago before COVID.
Yes, many years ago.
Was it same company?
We were part of that.
Part of that.
It was like a New York City market,
Yeah.
so it was a proper farmers market where there was like multiple vendors that came out. But from what I understand, they stopped it because business just wasn't good.
Yeah. So they're not now. Nobody's putting up food stalls or anything else anymore now, I guess.
I mean, we have a few stalls here.
Yeah.
There's maybe one more baker that might come out next week.
Next week?
But in general, it's really just us.
Yeah. I know. Not too many people are here in the park also. I don't see that many people today.
Yeah, business has been slow this year in general.
I think
like
so.
last Saturday, every market that we've done here, we started in May, has been kind of unlucky. Like we've had a lot of rain, we've had a lot of really hot days. True. This is the first kind of nice day that we've had.
Today, yeah.
Today it's been a little bit slow.
Yeah. Thank you. I'll come next weekend.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend. Lots of people are having picnic. So this is our honey stall.
How's it going?
Hi.
So everything on here is from my bees. That's why it has the New York State logo. I'm the first New York City beekeeper to get certified by the Department of Agriculture as New York State grown and certified honey. I'm not saying it makes me anything special. I did the paperwork, the other guys didn't. But I'm proud to do it. What the state is hoping to do is that the local supermarkets have a New York State grown section. And so they started with other agricultural products first, then they did maple, and after they did maple, the beekeepers got to bitch and moan, and we got them to do honey.
Awesome.
So I haven't seen a store yet with New York State grown and certified area, but hopefully someday.
Oh, okay. So they're planning to come up.
It's something the agriculture wants to do. But the only place that really does it now is, you ever see when you're on the highway, there's the Taste New York stores?
Not
even
really.
in the airport, there's one of the kiosks in one of the stores in the airport. They have a little location that says Taste New York.
Oh,
so they would buy my honey because I'm certified over somebody else's.
Oh, okay, that's
because
good.
Because they want it to be, they're promoting New York agriculture, New York produced.
Interesting. Wow, very interesting. Yeah. I'm just doing a small blog about this park, what's really actually happening on Saturdays. So I thought there's a bigger farmers market, but
it's a small farmers market, but it's all local. So I have bees 5 blocks away. On their farm, which is 5 blocks away. The baker is local. So we're all local people.
Oh, okay.
Not like when you go to Union Square and the average farm has to travel 2 hours to get there or more. And with trucks, and you know, their carbon footprint's a lot higher than ours.
So how does it generally work? Because prior to COVID, I used to see like a lot of like food vendors that who would sell food. I mean, some kind of
there were different people running the park at the time, and they reached out and did a little bit more of a market.
Okay.
Once COVID came, nobody wanted to do anything.
Yeah.
But they actually let the farmer and myself come, and the farmer was actually carrying some of the baked products. The only thing we weren't allowed to do, we had to wear masks, we had to wear gloves, and we couldn't taste it.
Oh, okay.
So that's when I started making the 3-packs.
Oh, this one cute. That's what I was
tasting flights, because I couldn't taste people, and they wanted to get different types of honey. So I said, well, let's do it like they do in the breweries and the no.
See, here friends, you can actually bring your own barbecue. That's what all the people are doing right now. You bring your own charcoal and then barbecue stuff, and then you can just barbecue here. See, there's a grill, free grill here. That's what everyone's doing. This is empty, of course. And they're making food here. So there are a group of people. It's a lovely day today to come out in the park. So this is one of the art which is built out of steel. Wow. And this is also like one of the art that was built. And you see these friends right here, this is where they actually sometimes they have programs set up here that where, you know, this becomes like a stage for this park. So and this is also one of the artwork that's on display right now. And there's one on the down that side. I end the video here for now. And thank you for watching, friends, and hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And thank you for watching, friends. Again, share lots of love, happiness, and peace to you all. Thank you.